how to change account or how to switch account in Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bikan Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change or switch account on Spotify. Now, if you are on this web browser on your PC, then you must have logged in to your account, right? Then you can simply open up a new tab, head over to login page and log into other accounts so that way you can switch in between your account. Now if you're on the application and you know switch account, you'll have to simply log out of your account and then log in back again. To do so, first open up Spotify and then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and then select settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you want to scroll all the way down below where you'll find the logout option. Simply tap on logout, your account will get logged out, and then tap on login. Enter in the credential of the other account that you wish to log in, and then you'll be able to log in. So this way you can easily change account or switch account on Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.